Alright, we're back up. Of course my battery, put my speaker in. So we're back up. Of course the battery ran out. So I'm full up of petrol. A little bit of a twitch getting the side stand down because just the way the land was lying, so it does make you think of that side stand system, which hasn't caught me out yet, but this was probably the twitchiest. So we're heading out, Shell Garage, left at the traffic light over there, and we're on to Palapia. 260 k's probably from here, and my glasses are all steamy. I think that's recording fine. Okay, let's go. Oh, come on. I'll turn it on, that'll help. Right, left turn of the light. Just thank God I'm right on this end of Gaborone. I'm right on the sort of northwest section, so I'm already a little bit on the outskirts. I mean, we have been staying in Block 10 as almost the last residential bit before, and then a bit further is the international airport, Seretse International Airport. I'm waiting for these cars to stop, if they will ever stop. Oh, I've got a bit of a crossover to do here. Guys want to come in, guys want to come out. Well, there's not much to do. I'm not gonna bloody do it crazy. So there's guys turning in when the light's that way. Okay, well, we just take it easy. We're happy to get through this intersection. Right, let's see. This car's going to want to come in. Come, baby. Come, baby. Get him in. And I'm going. Right. There's the intersection. Okay. Tick, 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 tick. Don't think there are any cars. Alright, amen, hallelujah. 0.10, 0.1k completed from the Shell Garage. 260 should do it. Sun visor. Dunk. Well, I think I'm going to switch off because that's pretty much it.